Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to schedule text messages on your Android device. So for this guys, you need to have Google messaging app on your device. If you don't have, go to the Google Play Store and download the app and install it on your Android device. After this guys, you need to set that messaging app as a default messaging app on your device. After this guys, open the Google messaging app on your device, and here you can get the option start chat. Just tap on it and enter your contact number which you want to send schedule text message. After this guys, just you need to type your message. For example, I am typing hello, and here in the message box you can get the SMS option. Just tap and hold on that option, and here you can get the option scheduled send. Just tap on it. From here you can select your time: tomorrow 8 p.m., tomorrow 1 p.m., tomorrow 6 p.m. If you want to set your own date and time, just tap on pick date and time option. From here you can easily select your own date and time to schedule your message. After this just click on next, and click on save. Now you can easily send this message. Just tap on send. That's it. This is a very easy and very simple method to schedule the text messages on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.